Good morning, all. Myself Rupa. I am telling about the first order logic. The definition of first order logic was a representation language that is made powerful than propositional logic. It is very declarative, compositional, expensive, context independent, and unambitious. The logic defines in their commitment, while propositional logic comments only to the extent facts, whereas first order logic comments to the extent of the objects and relationships. In this has syntax and semantics are there. Syntax and semantics are seven different types. They are model of first order logic, symbol of interruptions, terms, atomic sentence, complex sentence, quantifiers, and equality. First of all, you telling about the model of first order logic. It is a possible world or model. It is used as the first order logic is defined as a set of objects, relationships, and functions, and everyone to apply them. It is objects are taken as Richard, John, left leg of Richard, left leg of John, and crown. The relation of these both is brother and on head. The function is left leg. For example, brother relation in model Richard. Crown is on king. Their king is the John. Then it is called as one triple. Kind of relationships is better best considered as functions in that given the related exactly one object. Then example is called the left leg is the unary object and function is the left leg including the mapping. We use as the Richard is the left leg, John's has king. And the next one is symbol and interruptions. The basic syntax elements of the first order logic are the symbols that stands for objects, relations, and functions. There are three kinds of symbols is there: context symbols, predicate symbols, function symbols. Constant symbols is called as the stands for objects. Predicate symbols is used as relationships. Functions as used as the functions. One possible interruption as the follows as brother refers to brotherhood relationship where Richard and John on head refers to the on head relation between the crown and King John. And then next goes to terms. A term is a logical expression to the refers to an object. The example of the terms is the expression. The expression the king was John. Then King John left leg refers to the left leg. Then next goes to atomic sentence. An atomic sentence is the formed from a predicate symbol followed by a parenthesized list of terms. Example is brother of Richard and John. Complex sentence we are used as the negation to construct the more complex sentence and we use as the negation symbols. For example, negation brother, left leg of Richard, comma John. Then next you goes to brother, comma Richard, comma John. Then hyphen brother is John and Richard. Then next you goes to quantifiers. Quantifiers allows to express the properties of entire collection of the objects. First order logic contains two standards of quantifiers. First one is universal quantifier and essential quantifier. Universal quantifier is defined as the belongs to symbol. The rule of the king is all the person, then it is called universal quantifier. An essential quantifier is used to some objects in the universe and then it is pronounced as these exist on. The example of exit on X and crown of X on head on John. Then it is called as essential quantifier. Then next goes to equality. We can use the equality symbols to make the statements and effect of two terms in the same object. For example, Father John equal to Henry. Then it is called as f of ax by x refers to substitute and constant in the place of variable. In this equation, the variable is x, the constant is a. Then next it goes to equality. We can use the equality symbol to specify the terms on the same object. Then it is called brother equals to John, John equals to Smith. Then the goes to the inequality you used as the negation symbol to the both two terms. And in this equality, the objects are not same. For example, is equal to negation of x equal to y in equivalent to x not equals to y. Then next you goes to inference rules of quantifiers. Universal instantiation, that is represented by variable x p of x by p of c. Then it is called as the universal elimination. Universal elimination is used as the new KB in logical equivalent in the previous KB. As per UI, you can enter any sentence obtained by substituting a ground term of the variable. It is used as a valid inference rule. It can be applied multiple times to the new sentences. The UA rule states that you can interference any sentence P of C by substituting as the ground term C. In this, constant A and domain is X. We can use as the universal instantiation. Universal instantiation is called as the universal elimination also. It is very useful to obtain the variables in the ground terms of the quantifiers. For example, all kings who are greedy are exit. Let K be contain trace detail in the form of first order logic. Then the king John was greedy. Then John was exit. King of Richard, greedy of Richard. That also exit. King of father John, John also, the father of John also exit. Then it is called as the universal instantiation. Next, extensional instantiation can be represented as the belongs to x p of x by p of c. Extensional equation is called as extensional elimination, which is valid inference rule in the first order logic. The new KB is not logically equivalent in the old KB. The essential instantiation is used for the new KB is not logically equivalent to the old KB. The rule states that they can interference P of C, the formula of the P of X. In this, the constant is X and symbol is C. The restriction with this rule in the C used in the rule must be the no term of PC in that. Then which is valid information rule in first order logic is called as the essential elimination of the instantiation. The above used K is the constant symbol and then it is called as the slogan constant. The essential instantiation is a special case of sloganization process. We are also called as the essential instantiation is called as sloganization process. Then you goes to unification. Unification is a process of making two different logical atomic expression identically find a substitution. Unification depends on the substitution process. It takes us two literals as input and make them identically by using the substitution. It returns fails in the expression does not match with each other. Then unification is a key component of all first order equations. The substitution values are called as the most general unification. The symbol of is called MGU. The unification is called as the MGU. Then we let W1 and W2 the atomic sentence sigma is the unifier. W1 and W2 is as the unifiers. Then next you go to example. Find W1 equal to king of x and W2 is king of John. Then we take as theta then equal to John by x. It is called as unifier atoms. Let this say two different expressions is p of x and p of a of z is called L. Then it is called as the unification. Then you substitute x and a and y with f of z in first step. We consider the substitution will get the a of x by f of z by y. Then it is called the unification of the process. Thank you for all.